Hello, welcome to an episode of John from mccahan the Weatherman, as we are under a thunderstorm warning. That was some purple lightning, wasn't it? We lost power for a few seconds, so now everything's screwed up, and there's a lot of lightning in the area. We hope that the deer are safe. If you know the deer from the last episode, I signaled them to get into the woods because this lightning, if it's purple lightning, it has a very high intensity to shock you. If it's white lightning, you're not going to likely get shocked as much, but the shock rate is probably up. So I'm inside and like a noob, I can't really go outside. But this is the safest way to, if you want to know everything about thunderstorm. That is a lot of thunder activity, and it's because of the unusually high temperatures that's able to cause these thunderstorms to flare up. Now, here's a funny thing. Well, we'll go back to it later. I'm just gonna see. There's a person driving, trying to rush home before they get shocked by lightning. And as you can see, the lightning is so intense, you're probably getting about 5 bolts per second. So it wouldn't be safe for anybody to take a shower. Look at all those people driving in the car. Just watch the lightning. If you look in between those two houses, those are where the deer live. I'm hoping that they're inside the woods, safe. We just lost the internet connection. It's very dangerous to be out in that rain. The rain is coming down pretty fast, and that is a lot of purple lightning. So if you're somebody out here right now, you probably don't want to be out. The shock rate is probably about 50%. It's now hailing a little bit, as you can see. There's some tiny hailstones being tossed. Get home, people, get home. You should not be near a window, but my hands are not touching the window, and my tablet is. So. This lightning rate is really, really horrible. I'm gonna keep on updating you on the storm as it passes by. We're now under a severe thunderstorm warning. This cell is rapidly producing hail, and we just have a leak now. That is not good. It's leaking through the window. See? I'll turn the light on so you can see it's leaking through the window. see, it's leaking through the window a little bit. So I'll show you viewers that. Sorry if my camera's a little shaky. Yeah. It's just leaking a little bit on the one side. Right there, as you can see, it's leaking right up there. Now this, because, so we're probably going to get some paper towels as it gets worse. Continue the update on the coverage of the storm.